What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be turning my E36 into a drift car. All we have to do is just drop the diff. We're gonna weld it up and try to take it to the track today. Step one is get this on the lift and drop the diff. Now that we got the car on the lift, all we have to do is remove the muffler, take off the axle bolts, 2 bolts right here, holding the back of the diff, 1 bolt in the front, take the sway bar down, and then the diff should pop out. We pulled the diff out. Justin already broke it down and he's about to get ready to weld it. We're gonna put some welds right here in the corner, and then it will lock both axles and it'll be a welded diff. While Justin's over there welding, I'm gonna try to get the old gasket off of the cover using this. Justin just finished welding up the diff. Got it looking solid right there. Welding the diff, it locks both the axles. So this was an open diff where only one axle would spin, but now both axles are spinning. It's good for drifting. We put back the diff, now we're adjusting the camber, get it kind of lined up straight so it doesn't toe in. Looks good on this side. This one might be a little bit more out, but you can't really tell. We also got to do some work to Justin's car. I think something's going on. That's how this one's gonna be. Well, Justin.
L in the chat.
L in the chat. L in the chat. So Justin's
down for who knows how long.
For real. The trans is going out.
Got a major fluid leak right there.
Yeah. Well. Transmission's going out. Well, now we got this one to play around with. Now let's test how we did on welding the diff. See how good it slides. This car is hitting. We got the E46 control arms in the front for angle. Welded the diff. Gotta have that hydro. Yeah. How it feeling, bro? How it feeling?
It's feeling real good.
Yeah?
Yeah. I feel like it's just camera, the backwards all over it. Yeah, you're too good up to the backwards. I feel like I just chill the car. But it feels good. Alignment wise, it feels good.
Bet. Like the front angle, everything?
Yeah.
That was just the eyeball alignment.
Oh, it'll make a difference.
Power steering, yeah, I see, because it's fight.
it,
Yeah, we gotta fight it.
You gotta fight it on the counter, what?
Yeah.